Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Oscar Outdoors. Today I'm going to show you how to make some quick and easy firelighters using some cotton wool pads and some Tealight candles. Okay, so first step is take a load of your Tealight candles, okay, and then remove them from these little foil trays like so, and then just line them up in your baking tray. Please don't use your mum's best baking tray. Use an old one or a camping pan or a pan specifically designed for you to melt wax in. Okay, so yeah, I'll crack on with this and then we'll bring you back. Okay, so yeah, just bringing you back for a quick update. Obviously you can see I've done a fair few now, just lining them up there. All the little bits of wax that you scrap, just throw them in as well. You don't want to waste any. But yeah, I'll get filled up and bring you back. Just another quick tip. When you take the candles out, if you try and leave the wicks pointing upwards, and then once you've melted all the wax, you've got something to sort of grab. You can see I've left a few of them up there. Okay, so there you have it. We've now got 40 candles roughly in the bottom of a baking tray. So now it's time to go and melt them. So you can see now some of the candles are taking shape and actually forming together. Sorry, losing shape. Melting away, especially these ones on the right hand side. But yeah, I'll bring you back. Okay, so as you can see now I've got the wick bases out. I'm just going to pop it back in the oven for a minute, keep it as it is, so we can get everything else ready. So I just cut up an old pop bottle to throw all the stems in the bottom. Okay, so I had to move pretty quick from the house back into my shed and separate all the cotton wool pads, because as I start to dry they will stick together. You can sort of see on that one there. But yeah, risky business. I'll bring you back. Okay, so that's a whole bunch of new fire lighters I've got there. Just be mindful when you do lay these down, they will stick to the surface, so make sure that it's an old bit of surface, or you know, something that you can easily remove or not worry about damaging. Okay, I'll let these dry a little bit more and a light one. Okay, so yeah, I've got a fair few, as you can see. Because you can do them in batches like this, it's usually like an ideal sort of half an hour activity to do with cubs or scouts or something, just to show them. Obviously do them at the start of the night, let them dry, give them at the end of the night, that sort of thing. But yeah, this one's the best shaped one. We're not worrying about the shape because we're just going to set fire to it. So but yeah, this is the best shaped one. When they're all set properly, I'll break this one up and we'll set it alight. Okay, so let's see how well these work. It's been set for a while now, quite solid. So, idea is break them up. Okay, so I'll rough them up in a bit in the middle. That's it, and then throw a spark to it. I've just got my daughter's ferro rod. Took quite easy. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to film this getting going, but I'm going to hyperlapse it again, and we'll see how long it lasts. So yeah, that time-lapse video that you've just watched in real time would have been 8.5 minutes long, and as you can see it's still burning, and we've still got a good few embers as well on the bits of cotton wool that haven't actually gone. So yeah, some Tealight candles and some cotton wool pads, easy firelighters. If you like this video, click like. If you're not already, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this coming up in the future. But for now, thanks very much. I'll see you soon.